Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. I'm extremely proud to show you this 1971 Corvette. It is all numbers matched, motor, trans, rear. It's a 4-speed, by the way, with factory air. It's got lots of great options, leather upholstery, and I've got a whole binder full of documentation. This thing has won the NCRS Top Flight Award. It's won the Bloomington Gold Silver Certificate. It missed the Gold Certificate by 1%. And it's also won a Chevy Vet Fest Gold Spinner. All the judging sheets, awards are all right here. Also has a tank sticker. So it's a really well-documented car. The history, the owner history was documented, which, by the way, the gentleman that restored it owned a Corvette restoration shop. This was his personal car for 3 years, so you know it's a really good one. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures. That's where you find the prices on all of the collector cars that we have for sale. We have about 200 right now. So visit volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, really, really nice car. Every time I walk by this car, I have to say something to somebody like, man, that's a good one. Underneath, I don't think the body was actually off the frame, but it's detailed out like a frame-off car. The floors are nice, clean, raw fiberglass. The whole chassis has been painted and detailed. All the suspension's completely redone. All the bushings, ball joints, shocks, front and back. You know, it's independent suspension, front and rear. It's all been redone. In the notes, it says it was done to NCRS standard, so it's all done to factory correct specs. The brakes were all redone. It is disc at all 4 wheels. E-brakes all hooked up. It has the correct factory type, new exhaust system going all the way out the back. It's got the spare tire carriers in good shape underneath there. You look up at the motor, it's immaculate. The Chevy orange paint on the engine. The starter looks fresh, all that's spotless. The VIN number matching M21 Muncie 4-speed and all the shift linkage, all that looks like new. The drive shaft's real nice. And then back it has its original, I think it's a 331 ratio rear end. So under the car is exceptionally nice, very, very nice. The fit and finish on the body is far better than factory ever did it. I'm sure of that. The finish on this car is amazing. It's show quality. Like the more you look at it, like, wow, this is really nice. All of these gaps are right on the money. I did not see any damage. This was done in 2006, and I don't see any stress cracks. I'll keep an eye out for them, but I have not found any. These headlights fit real nice. The hood fits nice. A lot of these Corvettes have an issue. There's rivets under here and they start to rust and you get these bumps going across there. Not on this car. This is all in fantastic shape. All fits real well. The wiper door, the vacuum door, and the headlights, they both work real nice. No stone, no chips, no door dings. All of this is in beautiful shape. Now the color is War Bonnet Yellow, it's called. The metal flake is laid out evenly. The color is uniform all the way around, no mismatched colors, and the clear coat is polished like wet glass. It is literally like wet looking. It is so shiny, smooth, and glossy. This emblem looks new. Correct antenna looks new. The bumpers sit nice and square. They look new. The lenses, the emblems, the license plate frame, everything back there is mint. 15x8 Corvette rally wheels. This trim is pristine. It's shiny. It's not scuffed, not dingy. Like the black paint in here is not chipped off. It's all mint. BF Goodrich tires look like brand new. Door handles, the locks, the mirrors are excellent. It is the original windshield. A real faint wiper mark on that side, And up in the very, very edges, you can see it's delaminated a little bit. But I mean, you're talking like just about up under the trim. So it's still a really good windshield. Up front here, this all fits really nice too. You stand back and you look at these Corvettes, see how it fits. The weather shields are still here to protect the headlights. All that's re-chromed. It's all in beautiful shape. The interior was really nice. In the notes, it said it was a well-kept interior, partially original, partially restored. The door panels must be new. They're absolutely pristine. All new carpet from front to back. Has Stingray floor mats. Actual leather upholstery, nice soft leather in really nice shape. Door jambs are just as slick as the car. Weather strips, window seals are all new. Interior lights work. It's got power windows, tilt-telescopic, factory rear window defogger, AM/FM stereo, correct shifter with the reverse lockout. The whole console area is beautiful shape. All the gauges are mint. The clock has quartz movement. The vents are excellent. The whole dash pad is original and it's mint. So really nice interior. All the trim, the plastic pieces, it's all excellent. And of course, both T-tops come off. They store behind the seat. And up until 72, this rear window actually pops out and it stores in a tray underneath there. So that window comes out almost like a Roadster with a roll bar. So the VIN number matched 350, 270 horsepower, power steering, power brakes, factory air. Everything in here is proper, looks like factory. The shroud, the fan, the alternator, the hoses, all in excellent condition. The right valve covers, the air cleaner, is all the ignition shielding over the ignition system. This is excellent. Now when you get a Corvette NCRS Top Flight Award, that means it's authentic. They check for the correct nuts, bolts, and clips. Probably lost a few points because it has radial tires. That's how fussy they are. If it had the correct tires on it, it would have scored the gold no problem. And it functions and drives just as nice. I've had plenty of cars where they look the part and they don't function like you want them to. This one looks and functions like a new Corvette. They run nice. Oh, we only had one headlight pop up. It's winking at us. Well, I'm assuming and hoping that's a minor flaw because it was working. I'm just playing around with switches now that I probably shouldn't be touching. But all the instruments are working, oil pressure's good, battery's charging, the door ajar, the seatbelt lights are on, tachometer's working. So the tank sticker is still in the possession of the owner that I bought it from. He has it in a frame. He forgot to bring it. He says he's going to bring that to me. As of right now, I have a picture of it, but I don't have that in my possession as of yet. But we got all the documentation, judging sheets, lots of good stuff right in here. Owner history. So that's my impression of this one. It's a good one, really. It's an exceptional car. But you can go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. If you have specific questions or concerns, feel free to ask. They will help the best they can. They can also help with delivery, financing. That's at volocars.com. If you just enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. And yes, we will be fixing that headlight that didn't open. Thanks for watching.